Imagine your kitchen being the envy of your neighbors and the heart of your home, but with a timeless feel that won't go out of style. That's the magic of the 2024 kitchen trends. These aren't just fads, but the ideas you can weave into your space to create a kitchen you will love for years to come. Let's ditch the boring beige and embrace the power of color. Green is having a moment, offering a range of vibes depending on your mood. Picture sage green cabinets transporting you to a charming European farmhouse kitchen, perfect for those mornings spent lingering over coffee and croissants. Or for the bolder statement, go emerald green and create a kitchen that's as dramatic as your latest culinary masterpiece. Second is lighting. Lighting is all about putting the spotlight on what you love. Think sleek sconces mounted on the walls, casting a warm glow over your favorite mismatched mugs displayed on open shelves, or highlighting that stunning backsplash you spent weeks picking out. Speaking of backsplashes, there's a cool new trick that adds both texture and personality, which is the two-tone twist. Imagine using the same gorgeous stone from your countertops for a thin black splash border, then letting a contrasting material take center stage all the way up to the ceiling. It's like a mini art project for your kitchen, right? And speaking of making a statement, how about your wood vent? Ditch the bolded great metal box and embrace the luxurious look of a tight or slab vent. By using the same material as your backsplash, it visually expands the space and makes your ceilings feel higher. Like it's perfect for those who love an airy and open vibe. But a kitchen isn't just about looks, right? It's about function too. Here's where this backsplash ledge comes in. This genius idea gives you a handy spot to keep your spices and cooking essentials within easy reach, while doubling as a display shelf for some cute artwork or those family photos that always brings a smile to your face. Don't be afraid to add a touch of a vintage charm with a one-of-a-kind piece of art too. It injects personality and makes your kitchen feel like a live-in space, not just a showroom. Open chubby shelves are another win for convenience. Tucked neatly under the counter, they provide easy access to your favorite pots and pans, saving you the hassle of rummaging through cabinets before you can whip up a quick meal. Now let's talk about luxury. Imagine stunning natural stone slabs gracing your countertops, waterfall edges cascading down like a mini waterfall, and a backsplash that complements the whole look. They not only elevate the value of your kitchen, but you also create a timeless and sophisticated atmosphere. And if you're feeling extra fancy, these slabs can even be used for integrated seats, farmhouse aprons, or even wall cladding for a truly unified look. The best part of these trends? You can mix and match. Of course, it's a trend now. It is to create a kitchen that reflects your unique style. Maybe you love the idea of the green cabinets, or perhaps the backsplash ledge in your dream come true. Even a small change can completely refresh your kitchen. But remember, the most important thing is to create a space that makes you feel happy every time you walk in. Oh yeah, let's not forget the little touches that can make your kitchen even more delightful. Here's the tips. Imagine never having to wrestle with a heavy water jug to fill your furry friend's bowl again. Yes, it's a pot filler by the sink can be a lifesaver. Or should we say a power saver? Yeah, used specifically for pet owners like dogs and cats. Speaking of entertaining, how about impressing your guests with a dedicated water filling station? Yep, as in water dispenser. No more awkward trips to the fridge for refills, right? This is all about effortless entertaining. And for the coffee lovers, or you can say tea enthusiasts, a hidden beverage station is the ultimate dream. Feature sleek cabinetry that conceals your coffee maker or kettle, keeping your countertops clutter-free and creating a streamlined look. It's like having your own personal barista at your beck and call. Wow, amazing, right? So the message is clear. Your kitchen can be as beautiful as it is functional. Whether you embrace the bold colors, clever storage solutions, or luxurious finishes, the most important thing is to create a space that reflects your personality and makes you feel happy. After all, the kitchen is truly the heart of the home, a place where memories are made and delicious meals are shared with loved ones. So, go forth, personalize these trends, and design a kitchen that's not just trendy but truly yours.